website. Yeah. For the Sunday. Hold on 1 second. This is Sunday. Okay. Yeah, for the first one. Okay, let me run this. Okay, let me comment this out. Okay, I want to run the first one yeah, the one that's assert.equal. That is the expected URL in after URL. Let me run that and see. Okay, I will do something here now. Let me just see. Are you going to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. The test fails. Let's check why the test fails. Why did it fail? Okay. So it's saying that the actual PUR is not the same as expected. So expected string length is 23, but it was 77. So the string difference at index of 23. So expected mentorski.com/bet was this blah blah blah. So now you see that means they are not equal. That is why it failed. So they are not equal. So now to make the test pass, the test pass now. So that is for the so which means so they are equal. That is for the assert dots are equal. So the test passed. Let's see. Yeah, the test passed. Here, this is where I put say and I enter my user email. Is it Boyega that asked that question? I don't. Is it Boyega? Hello?
I think it was Abel.
Oh, Abel. Okay. Someone asked about it. So you see, what I did was I assert to make sure that am I on the right? Am I on the right? So after I log in here, the user profile page. Am I on the right website of the user profile page? Yeah, but I use the URL to do that. So I assert, which is telling us that it's true. That I'm there. The first location it failed it. It's telling me that I'm not there. So now it's passing. It's true. So that is it. And now this is true now. Let's run the second one. 1 second. Okay. 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 Let's run the assert are not equal. Yeah, let's run that now. Okay. With this are not equal now. You can see that this is what's not expected title. You see? Not expected title, then I put mentor skill there. So whereby the actual title is the profile setting mentor skill. Yeah, but it was expected to be different. That means you are trying to test the intelligence of the driver, but it's right. So if you go to the website now, 1 second, let's go to the website. Just can you still see my screen, please?
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay. Did you see here now? So this is the title of the page: Profile Setting Mentor Skill. This is what you're supposed to have after you've done your assertion. This is very important. Profile Settings Mentor Skill. This is the title of the page here.
I'm not seeing what you're sharing.
You're not seeing it?
No.
Okay, 1 second. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So when you log in, okay, let me log out so that I can start again. But you see the test. Did you all see the test?
Yeah, we saw the test.
Okay, now let me log in again. So after what I did is I'm trying to assert after login. No, let me click on submit now. So I'm asserting, am I on the right page? Am I on the right page with the title? You see, the title of the page is mentor settings profile settings mentors kit. That is the title. So the driver now went there by himself to write it out. And let's check. Oh yeah, this is it here. Because I enter my user mail, I enter my user password, and I click on submit button. After that, so I assert. Am I on the right page? This is the title. Profile settings, mentor speed. So that one is okay. So let's go to the.
Can I ask a question there?
Yeah.
So basically, when you are using not true, it's just that you are trying to just test if the driver knows what he's doing, right? Because basically, if you go to the website, you can actually see what you actually want. So we can equally use the first one, which is a true. The first what's it called?
Assert is true.
Yeah, assert is true, right?
No. No. The first one is assert are equal.
We can use assert are equal. That's what I wanted to say.
Yes. You can use that. Normally, we don't normally use this assert are not equal.
Okay.
You understand? But because it's most of the common assertions. That is why we are just trying everything, you know.
Okay.
To make sure that we really understand it. So let's go to the other one. This one is assert. You see, assert dot is true. You understand? So let's check this one now. Let's check. That is here. Assert is visible. Okay.
Sorry, can I ask a question, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, this assertion thing, like most time I've been seeing you using HTTP, right, for the assertion, isn't it?
You mean no, not HTTP, no.
Like
Yeah, no, the HTTP.
the previous one you showed, like when you wanted to show by name here, this the website.
Okay, this is the one.
Yeah, but use the website. Like my question, okay, probably when you are done, you see my own thing. Like probably that's where I got confused actually. Just go ahead, I'll ask my question properly.
When I finish, you can share your screen and see.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay. Okay, with this one now, this is assert dot is true. Is element visible? So the element with name login is not visible. So console.writeLine element is visible. So let's try this and see. Yeah, here we say that the element is visible. That is what it's talking about here. Here we are trying to assert the element of this particular login, that is the login email, which is this. Let me sign up from here. Yeah, this is what we are trying to assert. Can you all see this? So
Yeah.
it's visible. You can see it here. It's visible. That is what we are trying to assert. So let me go back. So it's telling us that assert dot. So we are saying that okay, the bool is when you say something is bool, it's either true or false. So we are asking the driver to say, okay, is element visible? As a driver dot find element by name. This login email dot display it. Is it true? And here we say assert dot is true. Is element visible? That is the element with name login, which is name is what? The locator of the element. You know, we have name, we have ID, we have CSS, we have expert. It's not visible. So if it's not visible, it will tell us that it's not visible. Whereby we have here will be false. That is what's going to be there. But because it's visible with our assertion, we are asking assert dot is true, is element visible. So it's now returning to us saying that yes, it's true, which is the result of the word, the boolean. We call this boolean, the bool. It's either true or false. So let's go to the this one again. Okay, let me comment this out. Don't worry, you might be confused now, but later you really understand it later. I didn't expect all of you to understand everything now. It's step by step. So
All
let's
that.
run
Can I
this.
quickly ask you that? So for example, if we do have like a text that the user story did indicate that we're supposed to see, can you just give an example of how to assert that? Yes, I've seen, let's say, for example, in the login page, you should see that, I think there's a one that says, welcome, you're here or something. How can I assert that text message? Thank you.
That's it. Okay, don't worry. That is the last one that that you are going to do. I will reach there. Don't worry. Okay. Now, with this one now, so we want to assert, that is assert dot is false, is element visible. So the element with name login email is visible, but is but expected to be not visible, which is not to me, which is not possible. Because without being visible, we can't even write anything into the text field. But that is the way all these common assertions are. That is the way they've been written in the library. So let's run it and see. Yeah, did you see that? It will always fail. You see? It said the element with name blah 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 is visible, but it was expected to be it was expected to be not visible. So expected is false, but it was true, meaning it is visible. Did you all understand? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, we
Hi.
get
Yeah, we understand.
We are here.
Please don't be confused, please. Don't worry, you understand it later. I didn't
No,
expect
it's straightforward. All you just did is like
aha.
we've done it initially, which is true. So now we
Yeah,
are doing it for
you are
false.
right.
Yeah,
Yes, you are
exactly.
right. Yeah, that is it. So
Maybe,
let me
for example, let's say you add a certain item to your basket and then you run a test to delete that item from your basket. Maybe you can run an assertion to confirm if it's visible, but it's
yes,
expected not to be visible. Does that make sense?
yes, you are right.
Yeah.
So
Please,
now,
I have a question to ask there. Can I ask a
yeah,
question?
yeah,
You know, when you wanted to do the initial true one, yeah, the bool
yeah,
element for the true, yeah, you went to the what's it called, to the inspect, I mean to the website for the inspect, right? For
yeah.
the name of here. Can you please go back to the to that inspect? I want to show you something there that always confuse me sometimes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, when you are doing for the assertion thing, like
Okay.
You know, there's this place we are looking for. Yeah, we actually want to assert for the username and email, right? Is that not what we are asserting for?
Okay, yes, this is the username and this is the password, yeah.
Yeah, you know, at that particular place, they put placeholder is equal to username stroke email, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, but you use name as what's it called? Like name before the for the ID name, all those things for the what do we call it now?
Yeah. For
You
the
understand
yeah,
what I mean?
for the yeah,
For the
the
value or
locator.
the input, yeah.
Yeah.
Use name. Yeah.
Yeah.
But in the case, how do you get it? How in this case, probably I have made a mistake in the past. I used to use ID. I thought it should be ID. I thought it should be class or something. So how do you intend to know that it is name that was supposed to be there?
Okay, you know, actually, most of all these elements here, it's better to use something that is unique on the web on yeah when you're expecting it, something unique. You understand what I mean? You can see name here is unique the way it's being written. The value is being unique. You see that? So yeah, and if you check this here, you might have a lot here, unless you check one of one. You understand? Sometimes instead of name, you might have name, you might have ID. That ID might be unique. You see that? So you have to choose. You have to choose. But if you have if name, if you have a lot of names here, you can choose ID. If you now see that the ID value, there are many there, you cannot use for another thing to use. But sometimes it's used to create your own locator. But in the advance, we understand that. Not now. You understand what I mean?
So
There's a way we create our own locator. Yeah.
I should pay for advance.
So now, is that Adijat or someone that who asked me the other question that about how do you want to assert the message?
Yeah, it's the text, right?
Yeah, the test. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, I will use our own project. I'll use that one as an example here.
So sorry, Alat. To every element, is ID not supposed to be unique?
Yeah, you know, it depends on the developer. You understand? So the ID is supposed to be unique, but it depends on the developer. It depends on what Ed, are you there? You remember that day that Ed was trying to click on is he add expertise or something like that?
Yeah, expertise, yes.
You see, if you try all what is there, you won't be able to click it. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Or have you tried it?
Yeah, you are right.
Huh?
I couldn't click the calendar. You are right.
But there's a way you can do that. You can see that what I've been showing since I'm clicking three things together. You understand? If I log in now, yeah, I'm coming. I just want to show you. So if I log in now, I'm clicking three things together. I'm clicking area of expertise. I'm clicking calendar. I'm clicking web bookings. You see, I'm clicking all these things together at once. Before it now move to the step of uploading the image and everything. You understand what I mean? There's a way, but if you use all the elements there, it won't click it. But maybe some other time, because we have almost 11:30 now. Maybe when we have the next workshop here, I will explain that one to you, how to do that. So let me quickly go to what Adijat or who's asking me. Let me use our own project for that. Okay. Here, it says that string actual test. Please watch this very well. Oh. String actual test. That is, don't worry about this object here. Because I need to say the object of your header page here. Don't worry. Is driver dot find element by CSA. That is the template of dot test. That is when you sign up here, you always see a welcome something that says you are successfully created your account, blah blah blah, something like that. Let me run that now and you see how it works. Just watch because it's very fast. Just watch the message. I want you to just to capture the message. Let me move up so that you can see the message. Oh, it's very fast. It's very fast. Okay, let me see. Let me do something here. Let's see. It's very fast there. Okay, let me do something now. So that's let me see. Here, let me just put your accounts. Huh? Just watch. Watch what's gonna happen now. So that's I just want us to see the test that is being captured. Yeah. Okay, it's failed now. Okay, fine. So you see, the test that's supposed to be there, this is not what's supposed to be there. Are you getting me? So this is not what's supposed to be there. So it's saying that the actual test, it's saying that this is the code. It's saying that here, string actual test, that is the driver defined element by CSS. This is the dot test. So assert that actual test does contain this particular word, your account, which is not. So it's not saying plus the actual test, which is this here, this is the code, does not contain expected test. Because the test that is being quoted here is not in the actual test when you sign up on the website, like saying that oh, your account has been created, blah blah blah, but it's not there. That is why the test is failed. Let's check. Okay, it's saying that the actual test you have success. You see, this is the actual test that is there. Who was asking that question?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, this is what is there where you need to sign up to the website. The actual test you have successfully created your account. To begin using the site, you will need to activate blah blah blah, something like that. You know, that does not contain expected test. What he's talking about is that the test that I put there saying that your account is not the actual test. So it's saying expected string, your account, but you have successfully created your account. Now, if I copy this now, yeah. If I just copy this you have successfully created your account now, and I'll put as a string here instead of this your account. Let's run it again.
Probably you need to remove the exclamation mark.
Is it there?
Yeah, the exclamation, copy the exclamation mark with it.
Okay, we did.
Yeah.
Me, I think I thought it failed because you only took a portion of the text as opposed to everything, because it seemed like there was more.
No, I don't think so. Hold on, let me see what is there before. Yeah, successfully. It says okay. Let me prepare this.
Maybe you try use undo to undo it.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, that is what is there. Okay. that is what comes together now.
Because I don't know if when I saw the expected text, it had like a longer, it was kind of longer than this. Is there a reason why you only took, you have successfully created your account?
But it has already said that does contain. If I
Oh, it does contain, not,
yeah.
okay. Mm.
Hold on, let me see something. Let's see. It's not on my bit. Oh. This is the problem now. You see, the web value is just missing. Well, I'll show you what I want to show you. That is the way. Yeah, skip everything. Yeah, click on the other section. Yeah, it's having a runtime error. Let's see if there's anything. What did we have there? Yeah, sign up. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not even clicking the signs, not clicking the sign. Oh, honestly, I will have to sort it out later, but I'll show you what I want to show you. Okay, let me do it for the last time. I changed something here. Let me change. Okay. And then it's the same thing. I will have to look into this. So don't let me don't let me keep you waiting. It's to 12 now. So is there another question again? I saw this one out later. It's our own project. Huh? Hello?
Nothing from here.
Nothing so far, but probably I need to just share my screen so that you see the problem I'm talking about the other time.
Okay, show it now. Let's see. So let me stop sharing.
Yeah,
Oh,